Hello everyone, welcome back to macOS training course. This is the 5th video on this course. System preferences is a place in a macOS where you can set some global preferences for the way things work on your computer, and it is something that we will be revisiting constantly through this course. If you have an icon for system preferences in the dock, you can just click on that and launch it from there, or you can go to the system menu. That is the system menu represented by the Apple logo in the top left, and in that menu there is an option for system preferences. When you open it up, you should see this screen which is a list of different categories. If you see anything other than this, when you launch system preferences, you can click this button up at the top and it will reset back to this main screen. There is lots of options for things you may need to adjust on your computer, and they are organized by these categories. For example, if you need to adjust setting for how your mouse works, you can go to the mouse category and you can try some of these adjustments. Now I don't want to get into too much detail here, and we will see several essential adjustments in system preferences as we work through this course, but feel free to experiment. And to go back to the main system preferences page, just click the button up here at the top and we are back here. Now there are a few categories that I do want to look at briefly, which you may want to adjust when you first start working with your computer. Up at the top, of course, if you are signed in to your Apple account ID, you will see your name here. But if you have not signed in to your account, you can just click on sign in button here and type in your Apple ID. When you are finished, you can go back to the main screen just by clicking this option. If you go to the general category, you have some general options for the look and feel of your system. First, I want to point out the accent color. I'm going to choose a different color here. And you will see that these highlights on menus and buttons and lots of different things will change. You can choose a different color. I am going to reset back to the regular blue. Appearance is an interesting option. You can see there is an option for light mode, which is what we currently have enabled. Then there is the dark mode. Let's switch over to the dark mode, and you will see this changes the overall look of menus, the dock, and the windows themselves in most applications. Lots of photographers, video editors, and other visual arts find the dark mode is better for their type of work, and some people just think it looks cool. Now I am going to switch back to the light mode and stuck with that for the rest of this course. Now there is also the auto mode, which will automatically switch between the light mode and the dark mode at different time of the day. Alright, let's go back to the main page in system preferences. You might want to take a look at the energy saver category. Your computer is most likely set to go into the sleep mode automatically if you leave it alone for a certain period of time, and you can adjust the time here using this slider. Letting your computer go to sleep automatically can significantly save on power consumption. Now I am working with a laptop computer here, so I see two tabs where I can configure setting for when I am plugged into the power adapter or when I am running off the battery power. If you are using a desktop computer, you will not see those options. Alright, once again I will go back to the main page with this button up here at the top. Overall, system preferences really benefits from exploration. You might want to take some time to browse and see what you can find. But if there is something that you know that you can adjust, you just cannot find which category it is in, you should try the search bar field up here in the top right. I will click on that. Let's say I need to adjust the volume level of the speakers on my computer. I could search for volume. You can see it highlights several categories, or I can choose the one of the search results here and it takes me right into category where I can make those adjustments. And when you are done, you can reset to the main screen again, or you can just close the window, which will quit the system preferences. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.